Having trouble with your Tesla Model 3 door not closing or opening? You're not alone. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing common door latch problems, particularly those affecting pre-2022 models. We'll focus on solutions validated as of January 6, 2026, incorporating Tesla's recalls, software updates, and hardware improvements. These issues are characterized by doors that won't close or open properly, often due to stuck latches or misaligned strikers. Remember, safety is paramount. If unsure, always consult Tesla service. First, determine if the issue is with the latch mechanism itself or the striker. The latch is the motorized component inside the door, while the striker is the metal pin on the door frame. Does the door make a distinct hum sound when attempting to latch? A missing hum or a red indicator light on the dash suggests a potential striker alignment problem. Check for visible obstructions or debris around both the latch and striker. These are the primary suspects when a Tesla Model 3 door won't close. Before attempting more complex solutions, start with these basic troubleshooting steps for Tesla Model 3 door latch issues. First, thoroughly clean the latch and striker areas with a clean, dry cloth. Remove any dirt, debris, or buildup that could interfere with proper alignment. Next, apply a silicone-based lubricant spray that's safe for electrical components. Spray it directly onto the latch mechanism to reduce friction and improve operation. Then, open and close the door several times to distribute the lubricant evenly throughout the mechanism. This cycling helps ensure smooth operation. Finally, check that nothing is obstructing the door's path. Look for loose objects, damaged weather stripping, or any other potential blockages, and clear them. These quick fixes often resolve minor misalignment or debris-related issues. If the door latch problem persists after trying these steps, proceed to the next troubleshooting steps. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that can address door latch alignment issues. Check your Tesla app for available updates and install them. Tesla's V12.5 firmware, released in 2025, includes diagnostic tools that allow owners to self-check latch alignment via the app. The software will prompt a service visit if it detects any issues. This diagnostic feature can potentially save you a trip to the service center. If software updates don't resolve the Tesla Model 3 door latch issue, the striker plate may need adjustment. This involves carefully loosening screws and repositioning the plate slightly for proper alignment. First, loosen the striker plate screws slightly using a screwdriver. Be gentle to avoid damaging the threads. Next, carefully move the striker plate just a fraction of a millimeter in the direction needed for proper latch engagement. Use the diagram to guide your adjustment. Then, tighten the screws securely and test the door multiple times to ensure it latches and releases properly. Important warning: improper adjustment can worsen the problem and potentially void your warranty. Always proceed with caution. Consider purchasing a striker adjustment tool to make the process more precise and safer. If you're not comfortable with this DIY process, it's best to consult Tesla service for professional assistance. If the door latch issue remains unresolved after trying the above steps, contact Tesla service. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair the latch. Check if your Model 3 is covered under Tesla's recall program for door latch issues. Tesla expanded its recall program in 2025 to include more vehicles. Getting the repair done by Tesla ensures it's done correctly and maintains your warranty. Tesla has significantly improved door latch reliability in newer Model 3s, produced after 2023. These vehicles feature redesigned latch mechanisms with reinforced stainless steel components and enhanced weather sealing that reduces failure rates by over 80%. The company is also implementing AI-driven manufacturing tolerances that use simulations to predict and prevent alignment issues, cutting failures by up to 90% compared to earlier models. For older vehicles, Tesla plans to phase out support for pre-2020 Model 3s by 2028, which may encourage owners to consider trade-ins for newer, more reliable models with these advanced features. To summarize the key takeaways for resolving Tesla Model 3 door latch issues, always begin with basic troubleshooting steps like cleaning the latch area and applying silicone-based lubrication to remove debris and ensure smooth operation. Next, check for the latest software updates through your Tesla app, as over-the-air firmware can automatically adjust latch alignment and fix many issues. If software doesn't resolve it, you can attempt a striker plate adjustment as a DIY option. But mark the current position first and only loosen fasteners slightly while checking if the door closes properly before final tightening. Always prioritize safety and consider that improper adjustments could worsen the problem or void your warranty. For persistent issues, contact Tesla service immediately and verify if your vehicle is eligible for their recall program, which offers free repairs. Keep in mind that any DIY modifications can void your warranty, so document all your attempts and consult professionals when in doubt. For additional information and support, consult Tesla's official website, where you can find service locations and detailed guides. Also, explore owner forums like the Tesla Motors Club for shared experiences and community-driven solutions from fellow Model 3 owners. Remember to prioritize safety and seek professional help for reliable, long-term solutions to maintain your vehicle's performance.